Let's play one of these systems. I mean, make him use his real openings if he wants to show something. Okay, wants a London. Okay, I'm gonna play b5 here. This is actually definitely unusual. It's not normally how you play the systems. I can trade. I can also just go b4. I'm gonna play b4. I don't even know if it's right, but I don't really want to go deep into the tanks. I feel like when I go deep into the tank, especially in the evening title Tuesday, something inevitably goes very, very badly wrong. Okay, I guess I'll play c5, maybe d5. Not clear cut what's going on here. Guess I'll go c4. I don't know, somehow this feels very dubious from Parham. Takes, I'll take with the bishop. Another question is where I put the knight. I think I put the knight on d7 because I'm worried that there could be some kingside attack in here, so the knight should guard each other. Castles, of course. Yeah, see, like, this is sort of what I expect him to do, so taking go knight d7. Logical. Hey, it goes knight c3, which is actually pretty much what I expected. I'm gonna play f5. It's a little bit dubious, probably, but it cuts off the scope of the bishop here. I can still play like knight f6. I can go queen b6 at some point. Somewhat hard to judge what's going on here. Pretty unusual position. I do not, however, like knight e2. So I don't see where this knight is going. And if I get a5, bishop a6, it starts to look kind of nasty for white. Goes there. I mean, I'm not really worried. I'm just gonna go a5, bishop a6 here. Open up the scope. I feel like Parham's kind of misplaying this position just a little bit. I'll go here. Like, if he has to go back to c3 with the knight, then at some point I'm going to trade. He goes f3, which looks kind of dubious to me. I don't know why, but it looks wrong. Let's go here. That doesn't really worry me that much. I could trade. I think rook b8 makes more sense here, though. I'm looking to activate the towers. Yeah, bishop c3 makes a lot of sense. That's a very good move. But now I can start to go after him on the... Okay. I've got to be careful what I do here, though. Actually, I'm going to go knight f6 to stop e4. I'm a little bit worried there's going to be some e4 nastiness. Yeah, let's play g6. Expected that. I mean... Here. Oh, I missed queen h4. Shoot. Here, maybe? If bishop a5, he hangs b2. Bum, bum. Hard to judge. I should be better here, I think. I want bishop takes f5, so I can play queen d7 here, which should be fine, but there's bishop a5. I can also go king h8. Then there's e4, so I think I'll go here. Did I just blunder some knight g6? Maybe. Not so clear. Okay, he goes king f2, which I think is a bad move. I think he was actually winning with bishop a5 takes knight g6, but he missed it. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to be very, very precise. Let's go here. I think he realizes that he missed it too. I do have bishop e7. I mean, queen e7 feels kind of right, but it also feels kind of dangerous. So I think I'm just going to go here. He's probably going to go back, and then I have to figure out what I'm doing. And I don't know what I'm doing. I should be better here. I know that I should be better. But I don't know if I can actually prove it, because I'm just not a very good chess player. If it goes there... Actually, wait, now... No, bishop e4, he's got queen h4 again. How do I do this is the question. I'm too slow. Again, I'm too slow. No, bishop d6. Guess I'll go here, maybe? Queen d8 was the move that I meant to play. Yeah, I blundered this. Ridiculous. Now I'm just going to lose the game, probably. I just blundered that. Ridiculous. Ugh. Maybe I still have chance. Like, can I have some bishop c2 g5 or something? Should be 4 takes. Oh, and I'm too low on time again. What the heck? Okay, just move. Yeah, I'm doing what I typically do every evening title Tuesday. I'm tilting. Wait. What the heck? Yeah, I threw this game away for no reason. Ridiculous. Should not have lost this game. Ah, now I hung this too. I'm doing my typical evening title Tuesday routine as usual. Yeah, I was just losing. I flubbed this. Typical evening title Tuesday mess up by me. That's a slip too, but whatever. Completely winning, I threw it.